Hello everyone, this is Cupid and Vixen's puppies, and the purple collar is Donner and Blitzen's. We'll go through every one for you. This is the pink collar. This is the pink collar from Cupid and Vixen. All of these are blues, beautiful blues. But this is Miss Pink. She's a sweetheart. Beautiful blues. And then we'll get Blitzen's girl here. This was the white collar. We put a purple collar on her now. We couldn't actually find a white collar at the pet store. Mr. Blue there. Mr. Blue's getting in excitement. We'll get you in a minute. But this is Donner and Blitzen's girl. That was the white collar. Now we've put a purple collar on her. But we have 2 females and 3 Vixen males. As you can see behind me, this is orange. That's the orange collar. I'll let you just kind of see them here. Here's one. We put the blue collar on him. He was formerly the green. We had to change a few collars, but this is Cupid and Vixen's. That's the blue collar. And then we've got Mr. Red here. This is the red collar. Beautiful male. That's the red collar. Everybody's excited today. But we have Donner and Blitzen's blue female. We have 1 blue female with Cupid and Vixen. And then we have the 3 blue males here with Cupid and Vixen. They're available now. We'll try to give you a little comparison. The red is a little bigger than everyone, but most of these guys are catching up with each other. Super healthy. They've had their first 2 shots. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Our next litter will be Cupid and Bailey, all silvers. Those will be ready around Christmas. But this will be our last blues for this year. Next blues will be in the spring, most likely. Let you get a little close up here. That's Miss Pink running around. That's the orange. That's orange. Kind of run through these again with you. That's the blue collar, Cupid and Vixen. He's ready to run. Come here, guys. But if you guys have any questions, just let us know. Again, we have one. The purple collar is formerly the white collar. We have 1 blue female from Donner and Blitzen, 3 blue males from Cupid and Vixen, and then of course the pink collar is from Cupid and Vixen. But they're all doing great. Super healthy. These guys are right at 15 weeks now. So, excellent family companions, or if you're looking to train for hunting, they're great for hunting as well. But just give us a call or send us a message if you have any questions. That's going to be our update. Today is September 27th. Thank you.